And welcome back. We'll check out this before and after picture of a fat removal procedure called CoolSculpting. The results are noticeable, scientifically proven, and can leave you looking your best from every single angle. That's right. And as you saw in that picture, many guys are getting the FDA cleared treatment because, you know, they want to look good too.
Absolutely. Here to tell us all about it is Kristy Halverson from A Younger You Medical Spa. And the guy that you just saw in that photo, Gary Zeigler. He's a very happy patient. We're excited to have you here to talk about this because so often it is women that we're talking about. And it's true that it's not just women who, you can diet and exercise and be very healthy. You look very healthy, but still have stubborn areas of fat that you just can't get rid of, right?
Correct. It's, I would say, the best way to get rid of that unwanted fat.
Yeah. So if you can pinch it, you can freeze it.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Explain how CoolSculpting works. A lot of people are starting to be more familiar with the procedure because we hear about it a lot, but exactly what is it?
So it's the best way to contour your body by freezing the fat. So we actually use an applicator that's appropriate for a specific body part, and we put it on and then we apply the cooling. Usually the treatments are about 35 to 45 minutes per area, and you'll start seeing results, I would say 3 to 4 weeks, all the way up to about 3 to 4 months.
And it's permanent, right?
It's permanent.
That's exciting. All right, let's talk about you, Gary. What area were you interested in treating?
Well, there are two areas, the love handle area on a guy's, I think, and then just a little bit in the front that, you know, even though you had a good diet and you worked out, it still was a very stubborn area.
Yeah. How did you find, was the treatment tolerable in terms of was it painful?
It was virtually pain-free. I mean, over at the spa, they made it very comfortable, the pillows and different types of pillows.
Look at you.
Check you out.
They put it in a movie, and I mean, they just made it very nice, and they answered all my questions, because I was skeptical about CoolSculpting. I had heard about it several years ago.
Oh, wow, look at that.
But then when I was able to get my questions answered, and it made sense.
Good for you. That's
How
great.
many treatments did you do?
2 treatments.
And how quickly did you see results?
It took about 4 to 8 weeks to start seeing results, and then between the first and second treatment, they got a better applicator, so then it actually shortened the time as well. So that was good. They're always improving.
Yeah, and in terms of the areas, you mentioned the love handles or the flanks and the abdominal areas. So let's talk about some of the other areas that you can treat, because this is exciting because you can treat smaller areas, like even the right here under the chin, right?
Correct. It was just approved that we can now treat the underarms.
Wonderful.
So we got the approval for that.
So it's thighs also?
Inner and outer thighs.
Oh, outer and inner thighs.
Correct.
Okay.
Pretty much anywhere we can pinch, but the bra, under bra area, the flanks, upper and lower abdomen.
I want that ab.
Yeah.
Like, oh my gosh.
You know, you used a great word, Kristy, and that is, it's not just the removal of fat or eliminating the fat, it's also that contouring. That word is important, and probably why it's important to have a technician who's an expert like you.
So depending on which applicators we use, we have ones that more debulk. If you have a lot of fat in an area versus if you have less fat, we use more of a contouring applicator.
Well, and I think that's what's nice is you help people determine, you know, what's right for them, as Molly mentioned, being a professional in that. But who is generally a good candidate? Is it anybody who can, like Molly said in the beginning, sort of pinch a spot on their bodies that they don't like?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Like you said, if you can pinch it, we can treat it. And men and women. We're pushing for more men to come in.
Way to go, guys.
Yeah.
And we mentioned it's FDA cleared, so people can feel safe, because I think a lot of people are wondering, are there any risks associated with it?
No, not really. It's deemed very safe and effective.
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems like everybody has results, too, and you can tell from the pictures, it's quite dramatic, even with just 1 or 2 treatments.
Gary, what would you say to all the dudes listening out there?
I would say get your questions answered, stop in, and just have a free consultation. It's very confidential. They're very private, and they really respect your privacy, which is important.
So you don't have to come on TV and show it off.
It's not required. It's not required. No.
That's really good that you did, because I think you're the perfect example of someone who looks very healthy, very fit, but yet, you know, you've got these areas, and I think it's like, you know, if you can do something about it and have permanent results, it's wonderful. So thank you.
We all want to look our best.
Going on 50 years old, you know, it's, you know, the older we get, the harder it is to you know, work out and maintain those areas as effectively as you could when you were younger.
Yeah, good for you. That's awesome. It was great to have you guys here. Here's some information, because we want people to know that there are some CoolSculpting events that you can check out. You can go to ayoungeryou.com to find out more. So those events are happening here 2 dates. One is Wednesday, March 8th in the Burlington location. The other is Thursday, March 9th at the Brookfield location. We have phone numbers there that you can call to schedule a consultation, find out more about CoolSculpting, and again, the website is ayoungeryou.com.
Get those questions answered. Thanks, you
Appreciate it.
guys.